All right, let's get into it. We're looking at Nas 100 here, aka US Tech. Well, if we see what's been going on with Nas, it's been on a hell of a downtrend since it hit our TP earlier this morning. Been on a downtrend. You feel me? So we got our TP. Let's go to the 15. Try to get in here close to. So yeah, boom. It went up and hit all our TPs from the previous Nas call I gave. I mean, it hit all of them, but it hit a lot of them all the way up to 120. Then we had a big slump and it fell down to about 1,500. And then around, it fell a little bit below 15,000. I mean, then from there I called a buy and it went up to 1,520. And it even went to like 1530 or something. It never hit none of the other TPs. It just hit TP1. I've been looking for another buy entry. And right now on the 15, it don't look like a buy. If you see the parabolic czar, see the light blue dots, that's showing like when the dots are on top of the candles, that means it's selling. Then we got the alligator. I just got the native settings on these things, as you see right here. So I touched the F. You feel me? And the only thing I have a little different is my RSI, but you can use your native RSI settings too, but you can also copy mine. Really easy to put in here. Most of you guys, like, you already know this stuff. You know what I'm saying? Real easy if you just go play with it. You feel me? But looks like Nas want to pull back to 14,960 area. See down here about there, but let's go into the 5. And again, the alligators, those red, blue, and green lines on top, they're telling me that it's selling right now because they're on top. I never really got taught by anybody to use the alligator. I kind of just been using the alligator on my own and winging it and interpreting what it is telling me by me just being a kind of an expert Nas trader and seeing what the candles do along with the little alligator. I guess it kind of looks like some EMAs or something, but hey, it's his own little indicator called the alligator. It's on everybody's phone, but I kind of want to get into a buy here, but then I don't. Just because, shit, it's already like 12:20. It's London session, and it ain't really moving like that right now. And we were at the top. Like, the top is almost like 15. What's the top of Nas? 15,180. Like, basically, 15,200 is close to the top. On the daily, we're like smack at the middle price. On the hour 4, it shows me you want to sell. The minute 30 wants to sell. The hour is selling. The 15 is selling. The 5 is selling. So all this behavior of is selling on a monthly overbought. Weekly is over, kind of overbought as well. All this behavior is just telling me like, yo, just wait and let Nas fall down a lot. You might need to fall down a little bit. Let it fall and just relax. This week, the market hasn't really been moving in price, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So this is July. We had it going from 14.5 all the way up to 15. Then once that happened, we didn't really get a lot of drops, you know. And if you look back at previous times, you had like a lot more market movement. Like, look, you got Nas going from 13.8 to like 14.2 and dropping back down. You had like a lot more movement in the market. And when the market is moving like that, it gives you more opportunity to make money. But when we coming over here to where we are now, you see the market hasn't really moved a lot. You got 14.8 to 15,000. That's 2,000 pips. And you got the 14.9 to 15.2. It hasn't really moved a lot. But overall, you see the market is still bullish, guys. It's always bullish. So it's my Nas update for now. And I'm just going to chill, see what happens. But it probably needs to sell down a lot. But I'll still be looking for a buy entry around this area, 15,000. Now it's kind of expressing that it could buy now. Cause see how at first it was all on top. Now the alligator has created like a little wedge here. I don't know what the hell, but a little, see, like a little thing, a little circle here where I want to buy, and my parabolic czar is showing a little buy. But I'll be chill because my clock says 12:24. I'll wait till that 30 minutes, that 30-minute candle, that 15-minute, that 5-minute candle closes and see what's happening. Because, you know, if I go back to my other time zones that we just went through, it's still selling.